We're almost at 3,700 subscribers. Almost 4,000. Almost 4,000 subscribers. Almost four. Look at this nice little truck right here. The app. Open the app. What I do, I exited out, but I'm back right here. Back on the live. You see how there's motorbikes right here parked up? These trucks right here, this blue one, they call them elves, elf truck. And then right there, that's a multi-cab. You see that gray Suzuki? That's a Suzuki right there in front. They call that multi-cab over here. So those are very popular right here because they're brand new. They're cheap, imported from Japan, and they're the cheapest thing you can buy out here. And they're durable as hell too. And they come with diesel options too. And the weather right now is está chingón el pinche weather ahorita, güey. The weather is fucking. Look at the mountain over there. There's a mountain right there. And then there's some on this side, on the other side of the building. But I need to move to another side that way I can see it. If not, no se mira ni madre por aquí. Mm-hmm. All right, let me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Huh. This is pretty dope right here. We're almost done. It's almost time to get out of here. Just waiting a little bit more. But yeah, any other subscribers that want to go live, we can go live together and talk. Just let me know. I'll send you a link on the live. Any questions that you might have, or anything you're curious about. This is more, I don't know.